Hello, my friends. Welcome to Beautiful Rose Garden. Roses, the flowers of love and loyalty. From peaceful countryside gardens to bustling city streets, they always remind us of the sweetest moments in life. Do you also love roses? Do you dream of having a garden filled with red, pink, and yellow blossoms? If so, please stay with me. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment so we can continue to share these simple, joyful gardening tips every day. Today, I'll show you an easy way to propagate roses using just water. Step 1. Choosing a branch. Find a healthy branch, about 15 centimeters long. Make sure it is free of pests and disease. Then gently remove all the leaves. This way, the branch can focus its energy on growing new roots. Step 2. Preparing the cutting. Take a clove of garlic, peel it and make a small hole. Rub the cut end of the rose branch with garlic, then insert the base into the clove. Garlic is a natural protector. It keeps the cutting safe from bacteria and fungi as it begins a new life. Step 3. Creating the rooting solution. Now, prepare a piece of aloe vera. Chop it into small pieces and place them in a cup. Add a few more cloves of garlic. Aloe vera provides nutrients. Garlic gives protection. Together, they form a perfect team. Pour in 50 milliliters of clean water. Stir well. Soak the rose cutting in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, pour the clear liquid into a glass cup. This is where we will plant the cutting. Step 4. Building a mini greenhouse. Place the glass cup inside a larger plastic cup. Cover it with a plastic bag. This creates a simple greenhouse. It keeps moisture inside and protects the branch like a gentle hug. Seal it with tape, but leave a small opening for air circulation. Place it in a cool spot away from direct sunlight. Step 5. Seeing the results. After 5 days, you'll notice small drops of dew inside the bag. That's a good sign. It means the branch is still alive. Open the bag and look. Tiny white roots are growing, stretching out like fine silk threads. Our cutting journey is a success. Step 6. Transplanting. With just garlic and aloe vera, we've turned a simple branch into a young plant. This method also works for bougainvillea, portulaca, and hibiscus. Now gently move the cutting into a pot filled with soft soil or coconut fiber. This helps the new roots grow strong and healthy. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this simple and effective method, stay tuned for the next video. I'll be sharing another secret about cuttings, a secret that very few people know.